Tonight, the Children's Hospital in Tulsa is very full, and doctors say RSV is one of the main reasons why. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Jonathan Cooper.
And I'm Tatum Gwynn. Pediatricians say most people who get RSV experience something like a really bad cold, but it can be serious. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers is live with the warning from doctors tonight. Ashlyn?
Well, Jonathan and Tatum, Dr. Teresa Horton with Utica Park Clinic in Owasso says she sees people with RSV every day. She says it's been an unbelievably busy year for respiratory viruses. There are several working theories behind the spike in RSV cases.
Whether it's because they just were suppressed for a little while and now are back, or we have a couple of years of kids and people not being exposed to them, therefore they don't have an immune memory and they haven't had any experience with it, so they're getting them more easily and a little bit more severely.
Dr. Teresa Horton says there's also generations of moms who took extra precautions to avoid getting sick during the pandemic.
So they didn't pass that immunity through pregnancy or breastfeeding either. So now we have a group of toddlers that don't have any of those antibodies before.
Anyone can get RSV, but babies who are premature, under 1, or have underlying health conditions are at a greater risk.
So you're going to see they're struggling. They're pulling in. The skin between the ribs may kind of cave in. You can see them tugging here. They'll get what we call grunting, where every breath is
RSV is spread from the little droplets that come out of your mouth and nose and can live on surfaces and hands for many hours.
And kids, you know, they touch everything.
It's most common in late winter and early spring, but the past 2 summers have been highly unusual.
And it was like this. It had been down low, and then it went up in the summer, and we had a little lull, and then it's back up to like almost at the top of the graph.
Dr. Horton recommends washing those hands frequently, also disinfecting surfaces, staying home when you're sick, and covering your mouth when you have to cough or sneeze. Live in Tulsa, Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.